Let me ask you something, my friend. Have you ever felt like you were losing strength, or that your body just isn't what it used to be? You are not alone. As we age, it's easy to feel like our muscles are slipping away our energy too. But here's something you need to know. It doesn't have to be that way. I'm about to share something that could change your life today, something that's simple, affordable, and could help you build muscle faster than you ever thought possible, even after 60. The truth is, if you're over 60, it's not too late to take control of your health. You can feel strong again. You can feel energized. And I'm going to show you how with 7 high-protein meals that are not only delicious, but also easy on your wallet. Now, I know what you're thinking. How am I supposed to build muscle at my age? Well, first, let me tell you, your body is still capable of amazing things. And when it comes to protein, that's the key to rebuilding your muscle mass. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's the building block for everyone, especially for those of us who want to age gracefully. Let's start with eggs. Simple, cheap, and packed with protein. 1 egg has about 6 grams of protein, and it's a complete source, meaning it has all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair and grow muscle. And here's the best part. You can make so many delicious meals with eggs. Next up, chicken breast. It's lean, high in protein, and incredibly versatile. Just 4 ounces of chicken breast can give you around 25 grams of protein, enough to fuel your muscles and get you through the day. If you're looking for a plant-based protein option, quinoa is your friend. It's a complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids. It's perfect for a filling meal that doesn't break the bank. And don't forget about beans. Whether it's black beans, kidney beans, or chickpeas, these are powerhouses when it comes to protein. A cup of cooked black beans gives you around 15 grams of protein, and they're full of fiber to keep you feeling satisfied. Cottage cheese is another gem, with about 14 grams of protein per half cup. It's perfect for a snack or a light meal. And it's full of casein protein, which digests slowly, keeping your muscles fat for longer. Lentils are inexpensive and packed with protein too. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils has 18 grams of protein. They are also a great source of iron and fiber, which is especially important as we age. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about the taste? Believe me, these meals are not only good for you, they taste amazing. Just take a few minutes to prepare them, and you'll have a meal that fuels your body and lifts your spirits. The bottom line is this: you can build muscle after 60, and it doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. By adding these high-protein meals into your diet, you'll start seeing results faster than you think. You'll feel stronger, more energized, and more confident in your own body. It's time to take control of your health and make these years your best ones yet. If this video helped you today, please like it, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's build strength together, 1 meal at a time. Scene fades to a simple, clean graphic that reads, "Subscribe to the Wisdom Fuel." This is Shi Heng Yi, reminding you it's never too late to get stronger. Take action today.